Happy Saturday, everyone. Just wanted to jump on real quick and let you know what's going on in my sewing world currently. Right now, I have slowed down a little bit on sewing because I do need to get some things in order with my sewing space. So I'm working on cleaning and organizing that because right now, with that space just all cluttered and things everywhere, I'm having a hard time focusing on creating and sewing, and it just makes it harder for me to just be motivated and push out the things that I want to push out. So I'm currently working on that. I did visit Joann's on Friday because I wanted to get the new patterns that were out. And if you follow the pattern sales, you know they're having a $1.99 sale on McCall's patterns. So I really wanted to get my hands on those. There's also another pattern that I ran into. It is McCall's 7403 or 7430, I think. I did see this pattern online when I was looking at the new McCall's patterns, and I wanted to get it. And I had a picture of it saved in my phone. So I had in my mind that I was going to go to Joann's and get that pattern as well, and that I wasn't going to forget. But I didn't realize until about 8 o'clock, 8:30 last night that I forgot to get the pattern. So I did make another run to Joann's today because I told myself that this would be my last pattern haul, pattern purchase for the year of 2022. I am going to try to stick with that because I have purchased so many patterns this year, and I think I've only made one, maybe. I think I've only made one from the patterns that I've purchased. So I don't want to become a hoarder or just a collector of patterns. I really want to make the things that I purchase. So I can't find that pattern, but if I do run across that, I will buy that pattern. Now, unless there's just something new that comes out and I really have to have it, I don't have any other patterns quite like it, then I might get it. But I'm trying to stick to my guns and not purchase any more patterns this year because I've only made one item from my Make 9 list, which was Simplicity S8915, and I really need to get on those things. I want to try to make at least 4 things from that list before the year is over. I do know that I may not be able to push out all 9 with the holidays coming up. I want to get at least 4 of those done. And quite a few of those patterns require buttonholes. And as I mentioned before, I have not done them and I'm kind of nervous to do buttons and buttonholes. So that will also be something that I'm focusing on and practicing on so that I can push out more of my Make 9 projects. One other thing that will require a lot of my time and attention is a collaboration with a fellow creator that will be coming up really soon. I'm sure you will hear more about it in the upcoming weeks, and I'm very excited about that. And I want to put my focus on that and make sure that I do the best I can on this collaboration, which will require me to do a mock of the garment that I'm going to make and then the finished product. And we know sometimes those mocks come out so well, so it may end up being the finished project as well. But that's what I'm currently working on, and I just wanted to hop on and say a quick hello. I know it's been about a week since my last video, and I do have a few other videos that I am working on editing and getting put out for you guys, so hopefully you will see those very soon. Until next time, see it, make it, slay it, and I hope to see you soon.